Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to scan QR code in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to scan QR code using your phone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your camera app and here just enable the setting first. So open the settings, just select the settings icon and you will get the settings named scan QR codes. You must have to enable that setting. Once you have enabled, now you can easily scan any QR code using your phone camera. You just have to simply put the QR code in front of your camera just like that, and your camera will automatically detect the QR code. Here you can see there is the icon that there is the Wi-Fi QR code. You must have to tap on the link or the name which is showing under the QR code. Just tap on that link and here your QR code will be opened up into your settings or browser. So in this way you can easily scan any QR code using your own phone's camera. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.